kaboom. Feel like last man standing. Not a sound. Set the kettle boiling. And that fan. Aye. It's only 6:15. Oh, been work for 4 days and I've been full of a cold for 4 days. It's just going off me. Anyway, I've got a few jobs doing here today, so that's to get me some fresh air. I'm going to move them fruit trees. Move them plants up here. Because it don't look like it's got rain. These plants are doing okay. Melting. And that water thing there, I'm sick of lifting it up and wetting it floor through, trying to fill that, then fill the kettle. So, my pump, what I do come through with, got the same one here but a little small one. It's just a drill pump, so I'm going to mount it there, put a nose into the bucket, and just have it over there like a tap. I can just fill my kettle from it. So that's another little job. In fact, I'll get on with that. It's a quiet job. Before it goes light. Got these, look at that raw. There's be a fire lighter that. Got these natural fire lighters from Amazon. Don't know what they are. It's like straw. Well, I can't smell anyway, I've got a cold, but it's a bit dipped in something, I feel a bit greasy. Well, you just drop one in at the front, set it on fire and whoosh. I think it was 200 in a box. I think it was $6.99 or $8.99. That big box. But you put one in and off it starts a fire. Look at that go. I've not even put any kindling in there because I had none. I need to start splitting some. But they're good, them, yeah. Come on, kettle. So I've not used that one because I couldn't get the pipe on proper. So I've washed this out. It's come through and I've put 2 new pipes on. So I've just filled that up with water. So we won't fill kettle now, we just there we go. Kettle full. Get it on the boiler. Feels a bit better, innit? I'm trying to, because the floor was just wet through there with me pouring stuff in it. So it's dead easy now, just whisk that off into the kettle. Nice easy tap. That's still in. I don't need nothing on that. Oh, John's just brought us some cardboard from up top. Nice one. Cheers, mate. Nice spud, don't they? He's sorting out that compost. Right, go try it today. Attempt to get that comfrey out, but it's deep rooted that. What I'll do before I do that. Excuse me. This a good weeding in here, because that's where it's going. That and that tiger lily, they're both going in there. So all belted. What's Steve doing? He's wrecking all his beds. Must be putting new beds in this year. I think he said he was replacing them with concrete blocks. Bottom of yeah, any road. So we'll go tidy up and weed that up and try to get them 2 plants in there. Boom. And they're in. So that's comfrey and tiger lily. Now what I've done, I've left half in because it's massive, this plant. And I think Ken wants some. And I'm sure Joe wants some. If I remember rightly. So what I'll be able to do is just cut them a chunk off that. There's a big lump left. Oh, Robin. For sale all. See after worms where I've just been digging. Yeah, so I've dug it out there. And I took half of that plant off. So now that apple tree can go bang it middle there now. So a plum, pear, apple. And this side's pretty clear now. So I'll be able to fit that pear tree there. And maybe that Bramley apple at back there where that tree is there, that acer. Because that can go up top somewhere. Probably in that top area. Yeah. So now I'll wash my hands, make a brew, and get some of that cardboard down. Worm food. Sorry, out of breath. That's his out. I didn't film it because I've no tripod. But I've dug it out there. And I managed to pull out all this not end of roots off there. Put the main roots on. I've got all them roots there. It's rooted up out that trunk. So I've got one make it all over there. And then drop that in. I'll go make it all over here. So there you go, pop that in. I've just put a bit of potash out at the bottom of fire it all. Just give it a bit of food. But that looks better there now because it's that flat wine glass shape. I put it that angle so I can trim these off, trim that off, and then this side can grow outwards. I'll do the same with this one, just so it fills this space and at top like an edge of fruit. So that one will grow out that way. Just needs a bit of persuading that to come over here a bit. But that's perfect, that one. So fingers crossed that takes off there now. Snapped a couple of branches here and there. It's good though, isn't it? So we've got plum, juicy pear, golden delicious apple. Might get green apples this year off here, but them red ones are nice anyway. And then the other apple, that one. So that'll do for today because it's getting on there. I've gone sea blue. I've got a pear left on there. So in there, what is that? That's a plum tree in it. So I'll move that. No, I'll leave that one there. I'll put the little pear tree in corner, and I'll put that Bramley apple of Henry's in the middle where that pot is. So then that'll be full of trees then. I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fruit trees along the front then. When they grow like this, they'll look belting, that won't it? Just gives a bit of privacy across front, only on top. Plus plenty fruit hopefully. Right, what I'm going to do, my last job, I've just borrowed I've just been and found some gutters as well. I've got some full lengths of gutter for there now. I can sort them out Monday. What was I going to do then? Oh, I borrowed a silicone gun of toner. So I'm going to silicone around this chimney here while it's dry. So we'll get that done, and Henry's on tomorrow. See you tomorrow with Henry.